Simula na ng PBA playoffs para sa Season 50 Philippine Cup. So sa mga laglag na teams is okay pa rin naman yung naging run nila except sa Terra Firma Jeep na hindi talaga natin maramdaman na they want to win. Blackwater naman is wag buwagin yung kanilang big three sana. Titan Ultra is finding their identity and yung Phoenix naman is slowly getting their rhythm na they want pero bitin yung elimination nila for them SMB versus NLEX, twice to beat ang Beermen. Nag-ultimate sacrifice yung NLEX para sa SEA Games and bet on their remaining games without Robert Bolick hanggang sa maging number 8 sila na sa start ng tournament is nasa top pa sila Pero maganda naman yung matchup na to especially na tinalo ng NLEX ang SMB sa eliminations. It was 85 to 84, wala ring Bolick that time. Yung SMB used different lineups compare sa gamit ni Coach Leo ngayon. Tsaka nag-show up si Brandon Ramirez that game and malaking responsibility of slowing down Junmar Fajardo. And naging advantage nila yung running game kapag nasa floor yung MVP. Gonna be a different story kasi may Bolick na. Nakaka-excite kung paano may ignite yung NLEX with him. Tsaka may tactics naman yung NLEX to slow down Fajardo. Pero the question is it enough to win 2 games in a row? Twice to beat Rain or Shine versus Meralco Bolts. Another close matchup and happy for Ross na nakakuha sila ng twice to beat kasi we are rooting for them playing and winning the right way. 1 point win lang yung last time for Ross, 96 to 95. Kaya expect tayo ng another tight battle dito sa playoffs. Last time may Kit Dato yun. Pero ngayon, Luis Villegas na activate na. And siya na yung makikipagbakbakan kina Brandon Bates and Raymond Almasan. Not much to say kasi both teams is halos yung players nila is equal distribution. Kumbaga parang chess match na lang in terms of matching yung coaches. Pero syempre, papanoorin natin yung Adrian Nocum versus CJ Cancino battle na sana i-market na agad ng liga habang maaga pa. Twice to beat TNT versus Magnolia. Tough spot para sa Hotshots na mainit yung simula ng tournament to be having the disadvantage. Nagkaroon sila ng injuries along the way, losing Lastimosa and Lee para mapilitang maglaro sa LA Tenorio. Nasira yung flow ng tournament nila and ang malala is TNT pa yung kaharap nila sa first round na ayun din yung last game nila, losing that one 94 to 83. TNT has all the advantage and yung Magnolia yung magki-keep up especially sa guard position. Depende kung makakapag-dominate sa lapot. Pero sorry for Magnolia fans but I can't think of anything right now on how can they win this series lalo kung 2 wins yung kailangan. Pero bilog naman yung bola, ika nga nila. And of course, twice to beat Converge versus Ginebra. Grabe yung distraction ni Homer sa Converge, putting Alex Stockton on a hot seat kahit may series na upcoming. Sa ibang video ko nalulutuin yan. Pero Converge needs to focus on this one kasi kapag Ginebra, there's always a possibility na makapag-force yan ng do or die game. Yes, medyo decline sila this conference pero Ginebra yan Andyan pa rin yung talent, may napapag-rely yan na system, tapos kapag nag-click, dangerous talaga. Last time panalo ang Converge, 106 to 96. At nagkagulo pa sa dulo dahil sa point system. And for sure, may nakahandang schemes on how to stop one. So, will Team Cone use Nards Pinto again kung paano nila tinalo si Miles Powell with Bay Area? Converge needs to win the paint battle and make better closeout kasi once na nag-click yung outside ng Ginebra, may chance na Especially if nabigyan ng more touches si Stephen Holt. Another weapon syempre is yung kanilang fast game. Sana itong conference na yung inaasam natin kasi magkabila ang bracket yung Converge at Rain or Shine. Kaso may SMB na harang. Tapos TNT naman para sa Ross. So kayo ba, let me know all your thoughts in the comment section below. Sino kaya yung magkakaharap sa semifinals?